So you're asking if passive income is a myth, and you're probably asking that because you're about my age, 35 to 45, maybe just a little bit older, and you can't seem to get out of this rat race. And all that we're doing and all we've been taught to do is just continuously work harder and trade our time for money, and we're not getting any passive income. All we're doing is just saying yes to more jobs, more functions, more things to do to try to make ends meet, but we're saying no to our family. See, most people, it's not unique to you, but most people are trading time for money. They clock in for an hour, they get paid for an hour, and whatever that rate, it is never enough, because when you go into work, you check out of your family or check out of the things that matter most in your life. And so no matter what job it is, we're always dissatisfied because we're called to lead something different. And we've always been taught, if you work hard, you're gonna get ahead. Work hard and you're gonna achieve. Work hard and you're gonna get this American dream. But what we're finding is that the harder we work, we're not getting anywhere. It's like being on a treadmill. But guess what? The real people, the people that make the big money, they don't do that. They work on solving a single problem, creating a system to where that one solution that they provided meets multiple people's demands, and they multiply their income by doing that. And the challenge for you is to find that one thing, that one problem that you can solve in order to make your passive income. See, income is not passive. It's either you're putting in money to a stock and getting some dividends for it, or maybe you're making an investment, or you're just trading your time. But there is a solution. You can create a product one time and set it up and automate it to where it keeps paying you over and over and over again. So over a certain amount of time, it becomes more and more passive. I know there is a problem that you have solved, which means that you can create a product. There is a community of people out there that are waiting for your product to serve them. So what you need to do is package it and then sell it and then automate it. And that's when your hard work is gonna start paying you back. Now listen, if you're stuck and maybe you don't know where to start, we are starting a community called the Profit Blueprint. The goal is to launch it by November 15th. There's a link in the description that has the wait list. Get you in there to teach you step by step how to create products that solve problems, how to get traffic into that system, and then how to automate your life. So not only do you save time, but you also earn more money so you can focus on what matters most. If you're interested in signing up for the community, the link is in the description below. Put your name on the wait list. Cheers.